All right, I'm back I'm doing some little bit of night work. A bulldozer is a powerful machine on a job site with a wide flat blade in the front. It's that wide flat blade. Wide flat blade in the front. It's mainly for pushing soil, debris, and other materials out of the way. Some models also have a ripper. That's the rip attachment right here. It's to rip tough soil. Tough ground ice. People use it, for a bunch of things. But this little ripper in real life, this would be a big steel ripper. It'll dig down in the dirt and rip up the ground that's frozen or hard to get to, that the blade can't get to. Dozers are common on the road. Many, on the road, mining and building sites, especially in the early stages of a project. They do quick clearing and leveling work, which helps your team stay in schedule. Now, without a bulldozer, you can't get a job done. You could mow through. If any one of y'all seen Avatar, them big remote control bulldozers, man, look at here, they clear out debris. And the best thing about that, they were remote control. So we're gonna clear a little debris. That man say, put my blade down. Pull a little debris down and move some trees out the way. Let's go, big boy. There you go. Let's move it. Push that debris on out of there. Bulldozer on a job site. They do a whole lot of work quicker. The bulldozer make a job easy on any job site. That's why they're so important in construction. You could use a track hoe or excavator. Same thing. They call it a track hoe because of the arm on it. That'll be another segment later on. I just wanted to tell y'all information about the dozer. how good it is on the job site. And this is a Huina dozer. I put little upgrades to it. I put extra rubber cleats on the tracks. I put a little extra weight on the inside of it. Y'all can see the tracks right here. I added little cleats to it. Every third track, I put a little cleat. And I use the windshield wiper blade. I use every part of the blade. I use the crown part, the top part, the bottom part. I use every little bit. I made every bit count. Man, it does help. Extra weight helps. That's why you need to make sure you have a bulldozer on any construction site, RC site, real job site, everything. Come on out of there. Ain't no wrong with a little night work. People do it in real life. I do it for fun, but it's still considered night work. Explaining y'all why the dozer is really needed in a job site, on any job site. Land clearing, construction, everything. That's a fun equipment. And they do get big, real big. So I don't mind showing y'all a little take on the dozer. Put that blade down, push. Put that big blade for. And that blade on the Uena, some blades are metal, some of them are plastic. I'm gonna get a couple plastic pieces and put at the bottom of, metal pieces and put at the bottom of the blade. That way to dig in a little bit deeper. Because the blade only go down so far. It won't go down to like digging dead. You can see right there? That's about the further it go down. It helps though. I just want to show y'all a little work. So y'all stay tuned for the next episode of I'm gonna show you what the excavator does and what it's good for on the job site. So y'all stay tuned for the next episode.